Audio stuck on digital out? Here's a quick fix for your MacBook Pro. Hold Option and click the volume icon in the menu bar. If digital out is selected, open System Preferences and choose Sound. Select Output, then click Internal Speakers to switch audio back. Unplug headphones, adapters, or USB devices and reselect internal speakers. If needed, open Terminal and run Kill All Core Audio, then press Enter. Reopen Sound Output to confirm internal speakers is active. Play a short video or sound effect to verify audio is working. Still stuck? Restart and hold Option Command P and R at boot to reset in VRM. After reboot, check sound output again and select internal speakers if needed. That should restore internal audio. If not, contact Apple support for help. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Mac quick fixes.